With this method, you will unpick several individual stitches until you have enough thread to grab and pull from one side. Gently pull until that thread breaks. Flip over your fabric and repeat the process on the other side, alternating until the entire seam is ripped out. This method is risky, but if your seam ripper is very sharp, you can pick out individual stitches until you can gently pull the seam apart. Slide your seam ripper between the two pieces of fabric and rip. Be careful not to poke through your fabric. Use a lint roller to pick up all the bits and pieces. Pick out a stitch every 1/2 inch or so, along the entire length of the seam. Then rip out the long thread on the other side and use a lint roller to grab any bits and pieces.